Hi, come to one more interesting topic. My name is Pranav Mehta. I am Academic Head of Cloud Tutor Bangalore. And the topic today we are going to discuss is EU sanctions China. Okay, so you have to understand what is EU. EU comes out to be club of 27 European countries. Now UK is not part of this, so you can understand that this is club of 27 countries who have formed a body which completely calls us EU, European Union. Okay, they have put sanctions against China. There are two fundamental reasons, but I think on one they have taken a call. Uyghur is a minority community in China who have been taken into detention centers. They have been put into some extra number of hours in the factory. They have not been given some basic rights. There comes out to be that whatever religions they practice, they have been tried to move towards some softer principles of their religion. So there comes out with some bit of tweaking happening in this complete community, which is approximately 1 million. Okay, the province name is Xinjiang. So human rights sanctions have come into picture. If you look at what Dutch, US and Canada has termed it as genocide. So this has been termed as genocide. So that means whatever a hardship this community is going through, in that scenario, these countries have named it as genocide. Genocide, if you ask me, the future course of action can be that China can be taken to the International Court of Justice. Fine, so where they have to defend them, why this should not be genocide, should be punished. Okay. What is going to happen in that? In case if any sanction comes into picture, you realize that first there is a travel ban, then there is a asset freeze takes place. So to understand this, you realize that 4 Chinese officials, obviously they have not named it, but these are going to be important diplomats of that particular country who will be facing now travel bans. At the same time, their assets will also get freeze. To give an example how this asset gets freeze, if you look at the commissioner of the Hong Kong, so her assets are also freeze, all bank accounts are freeze, so she draws her salary in cash. So that means you will not be able to use the banking system which exists, because these banks are interrelated or intercontinental. So once the sanction comes into picture, all these banks freezes your asset. Okay, this is what it comes with. And there is one state-owned entity also. There must be some company which is also being put into the sanction. Okay, last time I think the European Union has put in sanctions on this. China was 1989. That arms embargo is still continuous. So that means the defense procurement cannot happen from the European Union, is still being is practiced. Okay, so this is still continuing from 1989. So right now there is a travel and the asset freeze has happened now. And at the same time, European Union has also put on sanctions on Russia, North Korea, Eritrea, and South Sudan and Libya. Russia, you must be knowing that the way the Putin government has tried to plan out to kill the opposition leader Navalny, right? So due to which this comes into picture. North Korea has been on a history note, it has been always been on sanctions. Eritrea is again disturbed country. South Sudan is also there with the the militants groups and other factors what you can see across. So these are the other countries also which you can look at. Now Apple has looking at the labor conditions or the working style of the Xinjiang factory which they have film. Apple has completely stopped the productions over there. So that means they're going to shift to the Vietnam or India or some other Taiwan like of country for their production of that respective product. Okay. So this is what comes out to be. Thank you so much. In case if you find any queries pertaining to this you can mail us to hello@cladtutor.com. In case if you think that this has added value to your system, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do provide feedbacks in the comment section for help us to improve on. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.